New to MxV Rail at Pueblo Plex in 2024 is the HDMF, Heavy Duty Maintenance Facility. This is where trains, locomotives, components, and cars move under protective cover for instrumentation, investigation, and troubleshooting. Customers benefit from the new private space and access to MxV Rail's professional operations team.
Here at MxV Rail, we're a highly skilled team of professionals with backgrounds in every facet of the railroad industry. With our new HDMF facilities, we're supporting our customers, expanding our capabilities, and helping their test programs succeed.
In showcase work, HDMF pros are completing the heavy maintenance for fast-track research, and they're helping to push the envelope on decarb technologies. For intensive, heavy work requiring specialized knowledge, leave it to MxV Rail's HDMF team. Building on our legacy of being the railroad's premier rail advisory for more than 4 decades, MxV Rail provides end-to-end services for today's complex challenges. From modeling and simulation to testing and evaluation, MxV Rail's expertise is unmatched. MxV Rail is a subsidiary of the Association of American Railroads. Reach out with your test questions today.